All right, time to try it. Bon appetit, y'all. It's so hot. It's so good. All right, let's start by throwing some sausage, some soy sauce, and some seasonings into your bowl. And you are just going to mix, mix, mix. And mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Just mix it until it is thoroughly mixed together. We want it evenly distributed. Once it's all mixed, we're going to take our sausage and we're going to form them into 6 balls that are all the same size. You're going to see why later, but you definitely want these all to be the same size, and it is a pound of ground beef or ground sausage, and you will use it all, I promise you. So after you do that, we're going to take our breadcrumbs, flour, egg wash, and deviled eggs out, and we're going to take our deviled eggs and we're going to dip it in the flour. Before you do that, smash the sausage down and then just wrap the sausage around the egg. Make sure that you get the egg completely covered, and then we're going to throw the sausage into the flour, the egg wash, and the breadcrumbs until it's evenly coated with all 3. And you're just going to repeat this with every single one. So super easy. Flour the egg and then wrap it all up. Flour the meat, egg the meat, breadcrumb the meat. And it's just a little me still going, woo. These really didn't take that long. Also, it's going to get messy. Like, we're not Food Network, we're Hallie Network. So it's okay if it gets messy in your kitchen. It's what we're here for. All right, so after we've wrapped all those, you're going to get your air fryer, and we are going to put them in the air fryer at 360 for 5 minutes. Take them out, flip them over, and then put them back in for another 5 minutes. And then after that, you're going to flip them again and then put them in for 4 minutes at 400, and that's it. These were so good. So good. They're so tasty. They're really hot, but they were really tasty. But if you liked this video and you want to see more like this, subscribe to our channel. dailyrecipes.co is our website, and we'll see you next time.